Students, today we are going to start our next topic, which is thunderstorms and cyclones. Thunderstorms develop in hot, humid tropical areas like India very frequently. Rising temperatures produce strong upward rising winds. These winds carry water droplets upward, where they freeze and fall down again. The swift movement of the falling water droplets along with the rising air create lightning and sound. It is the event that we call a thunderstorm. You will read about lightning in higher classes. If a storm is accompanied by lightning, we must take the following precautions. Do not take shelter under an isolated tree. If you are in a forest, take shelter under a small tree. Do not lie on the ground. Do not take shelter under an umbrella with a metallic end. Do not sit near a window. Open garages, storage sheds, metal sheds are not safe places to take shelter. A car or a bus is a safe place to take shelter. If you are in water, get out and go inside in a building. How a thunderstorm becomes a cyclone. You know that water requires heat when it changes from liquid to vapor state. वाटर को हीट चाहिए रहती है एक लिक्विड से वेपर स्टेट में जाने के लिए. डज द वाटर गिव बैक हीट व्हेन वेपर कंडेंसेस इनटू लिक्विड. कैन यू रिकॉल एनी एक्सपीरियंस टू सपोर्ट दिस? बिफोर क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन, water takes up heat from the atmosphere to change into vapor. When water vapor changes back to liquid form as raindrops, this heat is released to the atmosphere. The heat released to the atmosphere warms the air around. The air tends to rise and cause a drop in pressure. More air rushes to the center of the storm. This cycle is repeated. The chain of events ends with the formation of a very low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. It is this weather condition that we call a cyclone. Factors like wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and humidity contribute to the development of cyclones. Structure of a cyclone. The center of the cyclone is a calm area. It is called the eye of the storm. A large cyclone is violently rotating mass of air in the atmosphere 10 to 15 kilometers high. The diameter of the eye varies from 10 to 30 kilometers. It is region free of clouds and has light winds around this calm and clear eye. Figure 8.12 suggested us. There is a cloud region of about 150 km in size. In this region, there are high-speed winds and thick clouds with heavy rain. Away from this region, the wind speed gradually decreases. Formation of a cyclone is a very complex process. A model is shown here in figure 8.11. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.